Hello! Today we'll be acquainting ourselves with family terms, translating from English to French. Without further ado, let's begin. What is the French word for mother?
Mère, père, frère. Mère,
What is the French word for father?
sœur, frère, mère. Père,
What is the French word for sister?
sœur, frère, mère. Sœur,
What is the French word for brother?
frère, sœur, père. Frère,
What is the French word for grandmother?
grand-mère, grand-père, oncle. Grand-mère,
What is the French word for grandfather?
père, oncle, grand-père. Grand-père,
What is the French word for aunt?
cousine, tante, mère. Tante,
What is the French word for uncle?
oncle, tante, neveu. Oncle,
What is the French word for cousin?
neveu, frère, cousin ou cousine, cousin ou cousine.
What is the French word for niece?
Fille, nièce, neveu. Nièce,
What is the French word for nephew?
neveu, nièce, fils. Neveu,
What is the French word for daughter?
fils, mère, fille. Fille,
What is the French word for son?
fille, fils, père. Fils,
What is the French word for parents?
grands-parents, enfants, parents. Parents,
What is the French word for grandparents?
parents, grands-parents, enfants. Grands-parents,
What is the French word for siblings?
frères et sœurs, enfants, parents. Frères et sœurs,
What is the French word for stepsister?
frères, demi-sœurs, cousins, cousines. Demi-sœurs,
What is the French word for stepbrother?
tantes et oncles, frères et sœurs, demi-frères. Demi-frères,
What is the French word for in-laws?
beaux-parents, amis, cousins, cousines. Beaux-parents,
What is the French word for father-in-law?
beau-père, ami, oncle. Beau-père,
What is the French word for mother-in-law?
tante, sœur, belle-mère. Belle-mère,
What is the French word for family reunion?
fête d'anniversaire, réunion de famille, mariage. réunion de famille.
We hope you found our French family terms enjoyable. Looking forward for the next time. Au revoir!